Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. This is your math class, week number 14, and today we have the new month, December 1/12, 2020, and the day was Tuesday. And this is the today's lesson, tens and more, on page 31. Okay, so here we have the new lesson tens and more on page 31. You have to open it, and in this lesson you learn that place value. Okay, what is the place value? So the place value have two things, ones and tens. Okay, our today's lesson about ones and tens. So as you can see, we have the two numbers. Okay, this is the number 10. Okay, our first number 0 is called ones. Okay, our first number 0, we call it ones. And the 1 is the tens. So our today's topic about ones and 10, we learn only about ones and tens. So this is the place value. Okay, the 0 place value is ones and the 1 place value is tens. Okay, now we have the only one number. Before we have two numbers, 0 and 1, that make 10. And now we have only one number, that is 7. So we call it, this is our first number, we call it ones. Okay, we have 7 ones. Now, here we have three numbers. As you can see, this is the first number, 0. We call it ones. This is our second number, that is 10, tens, and this is our last number, 1. It's mean hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So here we have 0 ones, 0 tens, and 1 hundreds. Now here we have different questions from your from the learner's book. We have the 10, 7, 80, 30, 5, and 100. Let's talk about it. So you have to find out ones, tens, and hundreds. So look at the 10. We have 0 ones and 1 tens. Look at the 7. We have 7 ones. Look 80. We have 0 ones and 8 tens. We have 0 ones and 3 tens. And we have 5 ones. And here we don't have ones, 0 ones, 0 tens, and 1 hundreds. So you have to practice the place value. So the place value are ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so after, you have to order the numbers from smallest to largest. The order means you can follow by which number small and which number big. So as you can see, you have to start with ones. Look at the 6 pictures. Okay, so you have to find out which ones is small. As you can see, the 5 ones is small, it will come first. Okay, our next number after 5, the big number 7. We have 7 ones, it will come next. So 5 and 7 finished. Now we have 30, 10, 80, and 100. Now you have to find out which ones is small. Now as you can see, we have 0 is small, 0 is small, and 0 is small. We have the same 0. What to do? You have to find the next, go to 10, okay? When the ones are same, you have to find from the tens. Now we have 1 10, 8 tens, 3 tens. So which 10 small? Obviously, we have this one. Okay, this 10 is small. So we will gonna write 10 first. Now we have 30 and 80. Now 0 and 0 small and same. We have to go tens. Now this is the 3 tens and here is the 8 tens. So obviously 3 tens is small. It will come first. And the 80 will come second. And as you know, we have the 100. It will be, because we have the three numbers, it will go last. So this is the order you can do by place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Keep in mind, when the ones are same, you have to find from tens. If the tens are same, you have to find from hundreds. So how many tens? Now here we don't have tens, so we have 0 tens. Now how many tens? We have 1 tens. We have 8 tens that make 80. We have 3 tens. We don't have tens. We say we don't have the second number. We call it 0 tens. How many tens? Ones, tens. We have 0 tens. Okay? Now you learn that ones, tens, and hundreds that are place values. And this is the worksheet. You have to identify that this is the homework. So 4 is ones or tens. You have to write O or T. Now look at 5. 5, okay? Now we have 60. So how many ones? We have 0 ones and 6 tens. And here we have to find out, the first number is 37, and you have to find out how many ones and how many tens. So here we have 7 ones, you have to write here. And how many tens? We have 3 tens, that is 30. Okay, when you write tens, you must write a 0. That shows we are writing tens. Thank you so much. Take care.